वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो बाय आर्या एंड मम्जी। और आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको दिखाने लगी हूँ मेरे नए चश्मे। यू नो व्हाट, पिछले 1 महीने से मुझे काफ़ी लोगों ने पूछा दैट जो चश्मे मैंने इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज पे पहने हैं, वेयर डिड आई गेट देम फ्रॉम। I did not reply to any one of you. I'm sorry, but that's because I wanted to do this video and show you guys exactly where I got all these chashmas from. I have recently started following trends and maybe changing my sunnies with the looks, and for that I think I will definitely need some reasonable sunglasses. और मेरे लिए बहुत न्यू था when I ordered like few sunnies from ebay.com.au. I was quite surprised when I got my first parcel because the quality, the product, when it came, I was shocked. A good shock, I swear. I mean, I did not expect कि यार $1 या $2 का इतना अच्छा चश्मा मिल सकता है. I mean, the sunnies were so good that I think I will never ever be going to these streetwear brands which are selling like the same sunnies for like $30, and that's a lot for one sunglasses if you are not buying the original one. But then $30 से बेहतर है आप $2 में same चश्मा पहने. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got from eBay, and I hope you guys like it, and let's go ahead. Yeah. So the first sunglasses that I'm showing you guys is this cat-eyed sunnies with like a thick frame. It's in a color black, but इसका जो अंदर का चश्मा है, like the glass, it has like a little bit of pink touch to it, and I think I got this for like $2 something. I'm gonna link down all the links to buy these sunglasses from eBay. You can order them, but you guys need to check this out. Like the quality is super good. I don't mind this. It's definitely plastic, it cannot be original metal, but then it really has a good grip. When you wear it, it stays like यहाँ से काफ़ी चश्मे लूज हो जाते हैं, ये लूज नहीं हो रहा है. It stays very nice, and then I personally like this shape on my eyes because I never experienced or tried a cat-eyed sunnies before, so I kind of like them. So this was the first sunglasses that I got. Let me show you guys another black that I ordered, but this one has a little round shape. I personally liked it as well. It has like the thick frame as well, but इसका जो अंदर का शीशा है, that's completely blackish grayish चश्मा, not the pink or that kind of gradation वाला इसमें feel नहीं है. To be honest, I was looking forward to this chashma, but when I wore it, I don't know why, but it looks a little off on my face. I mean, I kind of like it, but then I feel, the cat eye shape looked better on me, and this one looks a little slightly bigger, like mera sar yahan pe hai, and this chashma has gone out, but still nice, But you guys can definitely try. I'm gonna post the link for this chashma as well. This is how it looks. और बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी है. To be honest, I'm not disappointed at all. So let's move on to the third sunnies. This one is quite experimental with the color. I've never ever worn a white sunnies before, but because I wanted to experiment and because the price was so reasonable, I just said it's all right if I order this one. I mean, if it's okay, I don't like the color, it's all right, but I needed to try this one. Okay, this is how the sunnies usually come. This is how they are packed, but it has like a bubble wrap around it, क्योंकि जो आपका postage का bag होता है उसमें वो bubble wrap होता है so that they don't get damaged. I've never received a package from eBay that has been damaged or comes in a way that it's fake or anything like that. Okay, this is the sunnies that I got. This is the third one. I haven't tried this one on, and I'm quite excited to try this. So this is how it looks. So it's been packed. This is how it looks. It has like a very nice metal finishing on the top, and इसका जो inside शीशे का color है, that's more like a maroonish pink, and I kind of like it. Let me try this on. Ooh, I did not expect that the white color sunnies could look this cool. And oh my god, can you imagine, like this doesn't even look like a $2 sunnies. This looks quite expensive and it looks good. The quality, you guys can check this out, like just देखें, इसकी quality इतनी अच्छी है, पकड़ने में ही material का पता चल जाता है. It's like not the flimsy quality, it's actually quite hard and it's quite sturdy. And look at that, I kind of like it. I think it's perfect for summers, like when you've got like those summery dresses or a beach wear. It's so cute, I love it. So इसी shape में मैंने एक और चश्मा मंगवाया था, which has like a little floral feel to it. I really liked it when I saw this online. This is the one. It has the same metal finish on the top, but then इसका जो frame है, that has a little floral feel to it. I mean, can you guys see that? That looks really pretty. I think I kind of like it. I'm quite excited to be trying this on. It's the same shape, so मुझे ये तो पता चल गया है कि shape मेरे ऊपर अच्छी लग रही है. अगर आपको experiment नहीं करना, then you can order like one shape में एक चश्मा. First you try it on. If you think that looks good on your face shape, then you can order like different colors, because एक shape में बहुत सारे colors होते हैं. So this is the one I got and I love this. The floral one looks so cute. Oh my god, I did not expect कि इतना खूबसूरत लगेगा, but it actually looks nice. It's so funky, it's so trendy and yet so chic. I really like it. And imagine guys, $2, not bad at all. So guys, that was it. A little small video, but I really wanted you to have a look at these sunglasses. And then, you know, a lot of women who spend so much money on these sunglasses, buying them for $30. I think you guys need to check out ebay.com.au. This is the website link. Just order yourself maybe one kind, so that you can explore and the shape according to your face. But then once you know कि ये आप पे shape suit करती है, you can always order the different colors that they have. And $2 or $1 is like amazing price for these sunnies. With time, with fashion changing and with trends changing, I think it's a really good way to explore your options. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also, for those who have subscribed me, please press that bell button next to the subscribe box, because that way you can be notified every time I have a new video up. So hoping to see you guys soon with another video, another fun video. Bye.